This is Dylan Chang with Sprint 7. For this sprint I was able to fully implement the spider. I was able to implement some of the wave system and poison mushrooms. So, with the wave system, the spider will only spawn on the first wave, and as you can see the spider is going up and down, and sometimes goes left or in the direction it needs to go, and then sometimes goes up and down again, and eats mushrooms as it goes over them. So in the spider, here is it deciding where to spawn, and it deciding the bounds of the triangle that it moves in. Here's the update. It moves in the bounds, and when it gets to one of those bounds, it decides whether if it wants to move side to side again, or if it wants to keep moving up and down. Yeah. So the wave system reads in from text file. Reads in from the text file. Here it is. It has pointers to the player control and the grid, so it can make new blasters eventually for when the blaster gets destroyed and a new wave needs to start. And then the grid system, so it can take in information from the grid. It reads all the data. It has the same mechanism as similar to the flea and the centipede, where it has a timer and it checks every so often whether it should spawn or not randomly, scorpions or spiders. I have a new wave for when I am able to implement when waves are starting over, and ways of checking whether any of the critters are active or not. So if I set it to the next wave, which I have it set in here, where fleas will spawn and scorpions will spawn. Also, the spider speed is faster. You'll see that also there's a solo head as well, that the scorpion spawns, and the spider spawns, and the flea spawns, so that's all working. And hopefully we'll see the poison. There we go. And it stops when it gets to the bottom.